Well, the FDA will meet tomorrow to consider approving the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine, and a decision could be made during that meeting.
The rush to get it to the public has some worried. New tonight, 6 News' Liliana Pearson talked to a doctor who broke down the entire list of ingredients.
John and Lauren, I talked to that UNMC doctor and he walked me through the list of ingredients that is inside of the vaccine. And while it is an impressive piece of engineered science, I was surprised by what a simple list it was.
There's some hesitancy around the vaccine produced in record time.
So I'd be a little skeptical.
Gary Beck says he's leaning towards getting it because he's a vulnerable citizen, but the speed of its production gives him some pause.
When drugs were fast-tracked during the AIDS epidemic, and of course some of them turned out to be good and some of them turned out to be bad.
Professor of epidemiology David Brett Major joined me over Zoom and walked me through the list of ingredients in the vaccine that the FDA released. The most important bit, the messenger RNA. It's a dissected protein from COVID that tells your body to produce antibodies without the active virus.
Our bodies are accustomed to handling messenger RNA. Messenger RNA does not last very long in the body, but it lasts long enough if it's taken up by the right cells.
To be taken up by the right cells, it needs a little help. That comes in the form of salts and fats.
If I give you a bit of protein that I've taken from something that I want your body to recognize, I sometimes put something in it to wake up the immune system. So the immune system knows something's coming, you should pay attention to this.
This list of salts is found in our diet and bodies and makes the vaccine the right pH to be accepted in our bodies. This list of fats makes the injection site receptive to absorbing the vaccine and letting the medicine get to work,
which allows our body to structure it in just the right way that our immune system ought to be able to recognize and be able to generate antibodies against and be able to train our memory immunity.
This is the first time a messenger RNA has been used in a vaccine, and the doctor I talked to told me that this is exciting, and he's feeling hopeful after some first positive data. On your side, Liliana Pearson, 6 News.